You tear up at a song you've heard 100 times. You cry during someone else's argument, not even yours. And quietly, for years, you've wondered if something is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with you. In the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly why you feel this way and why it might be the most important thing about you. This was made for you. Let me paint a picture. You're around 8 years old. Someone at dinner makes a careless comment, not even aimed at you, but you feel it land. You feel the shift in the room before anyone else does. Your eyes go hot. You look down. You breathe. You carry it home in your chest for 3 days. Nobody else noticed, but you did. You always did. Here's what nobody talks about. The reason you cry easily isn't weakness. It is wiring. But here's the science. Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett at Northeastern University studied something called emotional granularity, the ability to feel emotions in precise, layered detail. People with high emotional granularity don't just feel sad, they feel the specific ache of something lost, the grief hiding inside gratitude, the loneliness folded inside joy. Psychologists call this a feature, not a flaw. Your tears aren't an overflow. They are proof you feel in high definition when most people are watching in black and white. And here's something fascinating. Dr. Vingerhoets at Tilburg University found that people who cry easily score significantly higher on empathy scales. Your nervous system picks up frequencies others walk past entirely. It is not broken. It is calibrated differently. Think about that. You are 8. It is a Tuesday. A stone drops in still water. You watch the ripples spread. Your brain hasn't caught up yet, but your body already knows. That is not fragility. That is a gift wearing the wrong label. But not everyone who cries easily is the same. Some tears are sensitivity. Some are suppression finally cracking open. Ask yourself honestly, are your tears a release, or have you been quietly carrying something so long the weight has nowhere left to go? Sit with that. You feel deeply. You notice quietly. You carry more than you say. You've been told you're too sensitive, as if sensitivity weren't one of the rarest forms of intelligence left. Your tears are not a sign you can't handle the world. They are proof the world lands on you, fully. You're allowed to feel everything. That is not weakness wearing your face. That is you, alive in ways most people never risk being. Leave a quiet comment if this found you today. The next video might explain even more about why you